Hey everyone, welcome to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your transaction history on Paybis using a mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Paybis app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, tap on the history icon located right next to the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to a page where you can see your entire transaction history. Here, you will find a list of all your completed transactions, including the date, amount, and transaction ID. Tap on any transaction to view more details. And that's it. It's that simple to view your transaction history on Paybis using your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.